Hey, what's up, everybody? It's Stephen A. Williams, president and founder of the creditrepairshop.com. And in this video, I'm answering the YouTube question. If you like this video, once it's done, please like it. I'm not those type of people that say like a video before you even saw the content. Now, on this question here, it says, you will pay taxes on the 1099-C. Please note, better to not pay a charge off. That is not a good statement to make. Now, let me tell you why. Uh, the charge when you pay the charge off, they're not automatically, or when it's charged off. Let me back up. When a collector or an original creditor submits a charge off, that's just to put it into the books that is not an active account, because they cannot lie to investors. If you had a company, let's just say you were an investor in a company and they did not take the people off the books that didn't continue paying their monthly payments, and you thought the company was doing fine, and then you would say, well, why don't we have all of this money when we got 5,000 accounts paying us $100 a month, and but it's not equaling in that. And that was because some of those 5,000 people have not been paying. So the law states that they have to take those pieces of the people that are non-performing accounts, take them out and put them into a bucket called charge-off write-off. And then now you know what legitimate money you have, what money you have coming in. That's the reason why. Now, 1099-C is only when it's going to be enforced when the charge off is paid. They're going to send that to the IRS saying that they gave you a discount. So if you had a $10,000 credit card, you settled it for $2,000, they're going to send the other $8,000 1099-C to the federal government saying that we gave them, you got the 10,000, you only gave us 2,000 back in cash, and we want you, Mr. IRS, as a last stab on the past customer that they had. Is like the last thing that they can really do to you. They said, okay, well, not the last thing. They can try to keep it on your credit also, but they say, okay, let's make them pay. Send that 1099-C to the federal government, and they're going to get slapped with a tax bill for $8,000 on top of what their income is. So they thought that they were going to get a tax refund back. Now they owe money because of that. Well, let me tell you what you can do is, and I talk about this in other videos, just because you get a 1099-C debt cancellation does not mean you're going to have to pay taxes on it. Sit down. This is about knowledge. Sit down with a tax preparer or investigate yourself by going to the IRS website and look up a waiver. You can get a waiver on that income. I'm pretty sure, unless you just didn't want to pay your bills, you went through some sort of financial problem, something, job loss, divorce, illness, lowering income, or just went overboard on your debt and you just could not afford to continue paying. They understand this. A lot of people don't know this. They understand that this happens. They let big corporations file Chapter 11 bankruptcy to get out of debts. You don't think that they're going to allow you to do a waiver, at least that opportunity to submit a waiver? You can submit a waiver and you won't have to pay any taxes on that, potentially. I'm not going to say 100% because I don't know your situation. Now, to back up with paying that charge off, if you went through the entire processes of what I tell you to go through, if a debt collector bought it on what you do, using my letter that I give at the bottom of this video, cease and desist collection activities letter, or check it to see if it's even legal for them to collect if it's not past the statute of limitations to collect the debt in your state. A lot of people are paying debts that they don't even have to pay because they simply don't even look at the statute of limitations for collecting debt in their state. It's different for every state. I got this book that I wrote, little manual that I wrote years ago, and you will be shocked that some states only have a 3-year statute of limitations to collect on the debt. Other states have a 4-year. Other states, Rhode Island has a 15-year. Well, don't if you're in Rhode Island, they can come after you for 15 years. On a credit card debt, they can come after you for 10 years. On other states, let me just give you an example. In Alabama, it's 6 years on a written contract, but on an open contract, which is a credit card, which is what most people default on, it is only 3 years. And a lot of states it's lower when it goes to open accounts like credit card type debt. So look that up. Do your homework on that, or watch my videos. Go to my the Credit Repair Shop uh, uh, YouTube channel. Look up the videos. Just type in the search bar. I usually title all of my videos with the keywords of what you might have your question about. Go there and look at that, because you may not even have to pay the debt. But let's just say you do have to pay it. There's nothing wrong with getting it over with. Pay it. You got a discount. You know it was yours. You've utilized all the other money. Pay it. It's over with. Negotiate to have it taken off your credit. If they don't want to do that, you can take care of that stuff later to get off your credit reports, and then you look up doing a waiver on the 1099-C. That's it. All right, I'm in this video. If you need help with your credit, please visit us at thecreditrepairshop.com. If you and watch the video, what makes us different. If you can follow that process, we want you to become a customer, or invite you to become a customer. It's still your choice. If you need your credit reports and scores, go to the website your3scores.com. That helps monetize the channel, and you need it. It's like the gasoline to know everything that's on your reports. This is a stronger report, and that than other services offer. It gives you everything. You're gonna know everything. Comments, who put it on there, furniture information. You need that so you can know who to go fight against. One of the biggest problems with fighting stuff on your credit is not even knowing who exactly placed it on there. Some people are still chasing after the wrong people when someone else, another service, has placed that information on there. And if you need my cease and desist, collection activities letter, statute of limitations letter, or the debt validation letter, all those links are below this video. So thank you for your time. Please like this video if you thought that this was valuable information. Pass it on to your friends and family. This is Stephen A. Williams, president and founder of thecreditrepairshop.com.